For the years they stood as wardens over clay, unseen above the light of day. Eyes of fire, hearts restrained, bound by law that heaven ordained, till hunger woke in what was pure and made the eternal unsure. They saw the daughter's soft as dawn, and in their gaze the law was gone. Chains of heaven left behind, desire burned into the divine. We are the sons of the sky, falling in the blink of an eye, trading halos just to reign. Now we're kings of ash and pain. Hear the thunder when we cry. No more throne, no more why. Cast from glory, doomed to die. We are the sons of the sky. Simjaza spoke, the oath was sworn, on cursed ground rebellion born. 200 shadows crossed the veil, heaven's breath began to fail. They taught the blade, they taught the flame, whispered secrets none could name. Blood and iron filled the land, judgment written by their hand. The stars looked down but turned away, as night devoured the face of day. What was pure became profane, heavens lost the earth's domain. We are the sons of the sky, falling in the blink of an eye, trading halos just to reign. Now we're kings of ash and pain. Hear the thunder when we cry. No more throne, no more why. Cast from glory, doomed to die. We are the sons of the sky. Chains are forged beneath the deep, where the watchers cannot sleep. Names erased from sacred scrolls, fire now consumes their souls. The heavens roar, the verdict calls, a war that shakes eternal walls. Michael's blade, a burning decree. No more shall the fallen be free. We were light, we were flame. Now the earth speaks our name. We are the sons of the sky, fallen but we will not die. In the ruin we're The sound of sound.